In this video, I'll guide you through how to categorize expenses for tax time in Wave accounting. This is an essential skill for small business owners and freelancers who want to keep their books in order and ensure a smooth tax filing process. Let's dive right in and make sure your expenses are properly organized. First, head over to the left-hand navigation menu sidebar in your Wave accounting dashboard. You'll want to click on the section labeled Accounting and then select Transactions. Here, you'll find a detailed ledger of all your financial activities. It's crucial to have a clear view since this is where you'll be doing most of your categorization work. Next, locate the filter button at the top of this ledger layout. Clicking this will present you with a range of filtering options. For our task today, we're interested in the category drop-down menu. Scroll through the list and find uncategorized expense. This will help you narrow down the transactions that haven't been assigned to a specific category yet. Once you've selected uncategorized expense, click Apply to filter your view. Now, with your list of uncategorized expenses in front of you, it's time to start categorizing. Click directly on the category drop-down field for each transaction. This is where you'll map each transaction to its corresponding standard tax category. Let's go through a few examples to make this clearer. If you have expenses related to software subscriptions, hosting, or online applications, these should be categorized under operating expenses or software and web hosting. For costs associated with shipping, manufacturing ingredients, or packaging, these belong to the cost of goods sold, often abbreviated as COGS. And for items like envelopes, printer paper, or physical tools, you'll categorize these as office supplies. In some cases, you might find that a particular category seems to be missing. Don't worry, Wave Accounting allows you to create custom categories to suit your specific needs. To do this, scroll to the bottom of the drop-down choices layout and click on Add a new category. This feature lets you create a custom tax sub-bucket on the fly, giving you the flexibility to categorize expenses in a way that makes the most sense for your business. Once you've selected the appropriate category for a transaction and any applicable sales tax is locked in, finalizing the process is simple. Just click the checkmark Mark as Reviewed button. This action will save the line item and clear it from your uncategorized filter view, helping you keep track of what's been sorted and what still needs your attention. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll have all your expenses neatly categorized in no time, making tax season a lot less stressful. Remember, keeping your financial records organized throughout the year can save you time and headaches when it comes time to file your taxes. Thanks for watching, and happy categorizing.